Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And somebody's watching a video now. I've turned it around to theirs where they move this X back. It's actually going forward. You know, when you do this, the front edge, which was your original drawing, is going forward. Well, that's all in your presets right here. So if we go this way, now it's going to come inward, but this is normally where you would have it. And then this way, when you pour the slide bar, it's going to get smaller, much like the picture. You know, it's going to look like it's actually correct in vision. But he evidently has his set on this, so when he does the slide bar, it moves the other one further out. Anyway, and then I was just playing around with it while I was emailing the guy back and forth with the extrude tool. You could do a dotted line, you could do a curved line. We're going to just real quick kind of play around because it wasn't, the video didn't really warrant making a video for it. But we're going to make a dotted line, we're going to make it black. I think you almost have to convert the outline to an object to make the extrude tool work. And look at that. I mean, I don't know how else you would draw that. Well, you could actually do that in envelope tool or use perspective on that. But that's pretty cool and quick. Anyway, I hope that answered his question, and thank you for watching.